Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am using mic guys. How is my voice? Comment in comment box guys. Guys, the new update was came guys. This is compensation gifts 150 icons create and 10,000 credits from Edgarino because what? You may have recently experienced issues accessing the game due to server issue. Oh, server issue guys. We can see what is the change. All names changed guys. Oh no, not this. Chassis match. Chassis name changed to Mick. You can read this all. Namaste. New custom battle guys. We will see here option. Wait guys. We can keep option guys. There are pending invitations. Indian hero waiting for team. Oh yes. Options guys, we can change match ID guys. Match IDs. This is guys. You can enter this match ID. Anyone you can join this battle guys. Or we can keep bot option also. No bots, equalize teams, full teams. Mixed teams. What is this? Oh, I don't know this guys. I don't know this about. Under changes we can change maps guys. In control point guys, this is all maps. We can keep any map in the control point class. 5 vs 5, 2 vs 2. And other changes we can which mode we can access personal friend list and a chat room and a custom chat also guys. OP update guys from Ethereum. Let's start a battle. Which mode? CPC. Oh, Ethereum. Let's play battle. Bro, say something hello. I keep namaste. But what happened to this boy? Let's start a battle guys. Guys, let me know in comment how is my voice. I want to talk in Telugu guys, but English got highest comments. That's why I'm speaking in English guys. English got 1 comment, 1 like, and Telugu got 0 likes. That's why I'm speaking English guys. Indian Army, hi bro.
Smooth operator. Well done.
Let's do master controller guys.
Beacon captured.
Dancer. Guys, influence was increasing guys because in that team 2 members, in our team only me. Under the radar guys. Let's do master controller. Two captures and three captures because influence is going out, guys.
Control freak.
Control freak, guys.
Well done.
Guys, when I started the Macarena, that time I did master controller, guys. And the second time is here when custom matches came. Hope you update, guys. But one minus thing is in this update, guys, we can't end rewards and achievement progress anything, guys. Just we can play for fun, just for fun. You can try any glitches or you can fight your guys. You can fight with your friends. Who is noob and who is pro, like that also. But this custom match is only just fun, guys. No rewards, no achievements, no anything, no, guys. This is one minus thing. If they keep all rewards and achievements, means all players will cheap, guys. Tournament tournament give means in tournament all keep one versus one, but like cheat, guys. This is correct. Just for fun. Sounds nice. Already we achieved master controller. Boy, I forgot to say.
You have 2 minutes remaining.
Yes, my voice is not clear. Not clarity, guys, because I traveled yesterday in bike. Coming my home from my grandmother house. That's why I get some cold and my voice is not nice. Hey, not come, bro. Go outside. I will kill you with one wheel dash. Guys, what? His energy is 8. Shotgun 4 and shotgun 4. How many capture points? Oh, guys, 14 capture points, guys. Nice. Guys, doubt, guys. We can achieve 20 control point means any double master controller we can get or not. I don't know.
There is 1 minute left.
1 minute left. Oh, all captures is ours, guys. First time I used to do 16 capture point, guys. I not did 16 capture points when I downloaded first at Macarena. First time doing 16 capture point, guys.
30 seconds remaining.
OP update. And other things also update, guys. One bad news, guys. That is, Macarena says we can give free mech, guys. But in this update, Macarena doesn't give any free mech, guys. That is a bad news. But in this one we can.
3, 2, 1.
Discount. Oh,
You have won the match.
Ramesh, Indian Army, Indian Hero. 18 capture point, guys. OP. See, guys, all pertaining to lobby, this was changed, guys. Here MVP symbol was changed, guys. And this also changed, guys. One minute, guys. Indian Hero. Yes. The other name is, guys, see, speed was increased, guys, increased, but when we are playing game, that much speed only, guys. See, because speed is 4 kilometers, guys. When see here, 14 kilometers. This 14 kilometers means I think Juggernaut is 14.5 kilometers, guys. Let me see. 16 kilometers. Some speed changed, but when playing, no changes, guys. Energy capacity. Names and symbols are all changed, guys. Achievements. We can see for weapons here. Perk. All weapons, I think perk only. And other changes here, guys. New update. Attacker matches and here, guys. Scout matches here. Tank matches here. Support matches here. And weapons also, guys. You can see. Guided. See, guys, these all rocket motors. Artillery. What is that mean? Javelin racks are guided. These all are sniping weapons. We know that. Close quarters means shotgun weapons, guys. Short range weapons. Octo 110, Octo 6, shotgun 4. These all are lasers, guys. Beams, laser beams, and thermal lens like that. These all are missiles. Yes, guys, missiles. What is this? Assault means I don't know, guys. These names were changed. I know. New custom matches. I know. What is this FAQ, guys? I don't know this FAQ. Tell me in the comment what is FAQ, guys. I didn't know one thing also about this. If I know, I can tell you, guys. Say me in comments also. I'm storing icons for Carbon 12, guys. Say me Carbon 12 buying is better or Panther 20 is better. Say me in comment, guys. Now my Panther is 16 level, guys. XP any changes? I don't know. You can see. Oh. Random rewards. Oh, after reaching 3,26,400 last XP bar last. After you want to reach 6,400 XP, then you can get this random rewards. Tournament tickets 2 to 4, fortune tickets 2 to 4 credits. It's all random rewards. These all are for pro YouTubers, guys, looking service India wale. They can achieve this. Our progress is online, get to 2000. Let's play other battle, guys. Any changes, guys? I don't know. Oh yes, guys. What is that? Here achievements name changes. And other yes, guys. You can log in with Google also, guys. I login is not coming, guys. I think any server problem, guys. Yeah, they can fix it next update. Yes, guys. Yesterday when server update is come, guys, that time login means not came, guys. It was showing I don't know. Now it was fixed. I think server problem, guys. Guys, this is not. Yes, guys. Now we can save your progress with Google account also. Other symbol is before last update. You can see here only MVP best match. There is name of best match. We want to see here, go inside and want to see, guys. It's now not like that. We can see here only. I did Lancer jump, guys, in this map. You can see here any MVPs or not. Any changes? Let me see, guys. Oh no. 70. FAQ, guys. I don't know what is FAQ, guys. Let me know in comments. This one changes. And the names changes, guys. Guys. Another changes, guys. Here names. Double damage chance, guys. For Javelin Drake also double damage chance. I think all weapons double damage chance. How, guys? I don't know. No guys, exact damage radius changed. See here, energy cost guys. What is this? Cost means buying weapon that time they can keep cost. What is this? I don't like this guys. For javelin rack also double damage guys, 10% double damage. I don't know what is this. I think we can have chances for double damaging when we hit enemy guys. 10% chance for my javelin rack. See here, 20% chance. Here 30%. We can play another battle guys. Any changes guys? I think no guys. The tournament map changes. Guys, they are keeping this maps only for from so long ago guys. They want to change maps. Under name changes guys. Consider valuables. New battle zone event. Let's complete this event guys. I keep next video about this. ఎవరు Let's play other battle guys. Here guys, I showed you last battle guys that AD you can enter here means you can join any match guys. Okay, we can invite this guy also. Hi guys, tell hi to him. Indian hero bro. Hi from our YouTube channel. Let's keep another map guys. Guys, I will show you a glitch in this map guys. Wait, I can show you. Fortune Tower map guys. No, bro. In 5 vs 5, Fortune Tower map, guys. Let me show you. Spawn kill shot, guys.
3, 2, 1, go.
I think when you are playing TDM, you not have that much time to do this glitch, guys. You can do this and you can kill enemy matches also. Not this, guys. Bro, don't kill me, bro. Here not, guys. Let me show you. You spawn here means come this like and come here, guys. Here means come here. Cover me. Come here, guys, and climb up. You can do this fastly, guys, because in tournament all will kill you, guys. A glitch has happened. Oh, sorry, bro, sorry. Oh, come here and do me dash. Successfully entered here, guys. You can climb up here and you can also kill the matches, guys. You can go outside and with dash again. You can kill that matches, guys. Plus another one is for guardian, guys. That I showed you, na, guys. That one is from guardian. Wait, guys, let me show you. Guys, wait. Oh, bro, mines. Cheetah keep this mines, guys. Oh, time was over, guys.
2,
Oh, guys,
1.
yes. Time was over. Oh, 10. Let's see. From with Guardian only you can do this, guys. We did kill shot opposite, guys. Come for that opposite. And come here. You can kill from here also. Hello. This one is for Guardian, guys. Killshot came in, so he can't able to go outside and inside.
1.
He got stuck, guys. Let me show you. This is also a glitch. You can try in TDM if this map come, guys. I think the other players can't attack us from outside, guys. Only we can attack. See, guys, glitch was happened, guys. Oh, see, we can't go outside, and some glitch also happened, guys. This is guys. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Meet you in next video. Like, share, and comment. Subscribe my channel, guys. Bye.